Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. The loop starts with t equals 0 and v equals 1. In each iteration, the current value of v is added to t, and then the increment expression updates v. Check. Each choice, v equals v times 0, v becomes 0 after the first iteration, so the loop continues forever because 0 less than 20. Not correct. V equals v times 1. V stays 1, so the loop continues forever. Not correct. V equals v times 2. Values of v added are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, so t equals 31. Not correct. V equals v times 3. Values of v added are 1, 3, 9, so t equals 13. Then v becomes 27, which ends the loop, correct? V equals v times... Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.